What is up guys, my name is Manthan and welcome back to a brand new video. So today you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to farm Dark Elixir on Town Hall 9 with only one hero. So it can be either king or queen, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to be attacking with queen, and for this strategy you guys will need 80 archers, 24 goblins, 20 giants and 8 wall breakers. And for spell combination you guys will need 1 jump, 1 rage and 2 heals. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the first attack. Alright guys, so this is the first attack. In this there was a loot of 4400 dark elixir, and while farming for one thing you don't have to worry about another. So I was only concentrating on the dark elixir. So there were 2 dark elixir drills right there and 1 storage in the center. So I dropped the giants widely and dropped a bunch of archers behind, and also deploying them widely. And the main thing that matters is goblins. So I send in goblins when all the buildings from the outside clear out, and then I send them in the center and then drop a rage spell and they do all of the work. So as you guys can see, goblins are doing their work, and there goes the town hall, and there goes the dark elixir storage. And now I don't care about the loot, so I will continue the attack till my troops die. Let me fast forward that. Alright, so we got 4400 of dark elixir, and this strategy is very good because for first reason it is very cheap. You guys won't need much elixir, and the troops are very minimal, like there are no wizards and stuff. And also you can customize this strategy according to your need. If you have king, you can throw in some barbarians as well, or you can throw in some wizards if you want, but for me it works the best. So let me go ahead and show you guys the second attack. So this base had 2600 dark elixir, and you have to get dark elixir from every single thing, like the drills, the storage and the town hall. So you have to start the attack from the side where the drills are and reach the center. So the drills were apart, so I started the attack from this side so that it is near the dark elixir storage. I dropped giants and behind the archers, and then I dropped goblins. That's what I do every single time. So only thing that can destroy those goblins is a giant bomb or 2 mortar shots at once. So there they go. We have got the dark elixir storage as well as the dark elixir drill. Now queen is taking out the town hall right there. And so the giants reached here. So what I did is dropped some archers from this side so that they can get the second drill, and the queen will get the town hall, and in this way we will get all of the dark elixir from this base. And boom, after that I ended the attack. So we got 2600 dark elixir, and that is a lot. And you guys have to find bases with the dark elixir more than 2000 so that you can fill up your dark elixir very fast. Also I will be making a second part for this dark elixir farming strategy for Town Hall 9, and in that I will be showing you guys a strategy in which you guys won't need a single hero, and the strategy will work without any heroes. So if you want me to upload that video or make that video, you can give this video a like, and if this video reaches 5 likes, then I will upload the second part for this video. So let me go ahead and show you guys the third attack. Alright, so this base had dark elixir drills right there and the storage and down on inside. So I dropped the giants, spreading them, archers behind and the queen. And after that I dropped some more archers, some more wall breakers so that they go to center. And I accidentally dropped my Clan Castle troops as well. I was trying to drop the wall breakers, but still then I dropped the goblins, and you know they go to center, and if you put a rage, then they destroy all of the things within seconds. So I dropped the rage, and so many goblins just got out from the base from spring traps. but still we got every single dark elixir from this base. And as I told you earlier, you guys don't have to focus on any other thing like elixir or gold, because when you are farming one thing, then you should farm only one thing and don't consider any other things. That's how I do this. Also, I will be uploading a video for farming elixir and gold for Town Hall 9 as well, so you guys can check, you guys can give this video a like, and I will upload that as well. So that is it. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, check out my other videos if you want to, and if you are at Town Hall 7 or 8, you can check out my videos for farming dark elixir for those town halls as well, and I will see you guys in the next one.